Questa mozzarella è fatta con amore.
Today we are on Arthur Avenue in the Bronx.
This place has the best Italian food in the country.
We're going to Casa de Mozzarella, which makes the best mozz outside of Italy.
Inside this old-school Italian market, almost all of the cheeses, meats, and products on the shelves are imported straight from Italy, except for one key thing.
Mozzarella!
We'll make a mozzarella. We'll cut them up in pieces. I'll be hot boiling water. Now, get a stick. You see like the country start to get together.
Our resident Italian. What do you say?
I give it 2 mozzarellas up.
One of my son, Carlo, is the next generation mozzarella man.
I compare it to being Michael Jordan's son. He's been in Oprah's magazine.
Oh, really?
Mel Gibson's been in here. Joe Torre's shops here frequently.
What do you think makes this the best
He
mozzarella?
loves what he does, 100%.
I love what I'm doing. Because if you get up in the morning and you think, oh my God, I have to go to work, you better not do this. I love America, I love mozzarella. Everything started from there.
How important is it for you to pass down your business to your son and just to keep it going?
But for me, I'm very happy to pass my business to my son. We see my son walk and be successful. A lot of people told me good thing about him. The way I'm sure he's proud of me.
Of course. To me, I have 2 core things in life. Make yourself proud and make your mother and father proud. I need to take this, and I'm going to take this. Not that I need, I'm going to take this. I know that that's what he wants deep inside, and for me, it'd be very, very humbling for me. He sacrificed himself in order for me to do it, and for me, that's why he is my idol.
My name is Orazio Carciotto.
And my name is Carlo Carciotto, and
And
this is Casa della Mozzarella.
Rally on!